In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit your sitemap to your Google Search Console property. Submitting a sitemap is not required to be able to rank in search results, but it will help Google to find all of your web pages and understand the structure of your site, which will make it easier for them to crawl and index your web pages. It is recommended that all websites have a sitemap, but there are two cases where it is crucial for you to generate a sitemap for your website. Number one, the website is new. If you have a new website, you should definitely have a sitemap because you'll have less backlinks, which means your web pages are more difficult for search engines to find organically. And number two, your website has many pages. If you have a big website, search engines are more likely to miss a page out, so adding a sitemap will show them the structure of your site, helping them to find every single page. How to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. Once you have generated a sitemap for your website, it's quite easy to submit it to Google Search Console. First, log into Search Console and select the property you want to add the sitemap to. From the Search Console dashboard, click on Sitemaps on the left. On this page, you can add a new sitemap or view sitemaps that you have previously submitted. In the box labeled Add a new sitemap, just here, paste in the URL for your sitemap. Once you have done that, finally click Submit, and it's easy as that, you are all done. The sitemap has now been submitted to your property in Search Console. Google will now crawl the sitemap that you have submitted and find all of your web pages. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.